Hello children, Sai Ram. So let's continue chapter number 3, that is addition, in which today we will start exercise 3.1. So in exercise 3.1, you can see the question number 1 is add the following numbers. So let's continue. Question number 1 is add the following numbers. So number A is 25,173 and 37,045. So children, you have to add them. So first we will draw a table like this where we will write the respective places like ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Now we will place these numbers to their respective places and then we will add them. So while adding, we always start from the ones place. So you can see at the ones place there is 3 and there are 3 and 5. So 3 plus 5, 8 that we have written here. Then let's move to tens place where we have 7 and 4. So 7 plus 4, 11. So 1 we will write here and the other one will be carried over to hundreds place. Because 11 is a 2-digit number. So 1 will be carried over to hundreds place. Now at the hundreds place 1 plus 1 plus 0. What we will get? 2. Then let's move to 1,000 place now. 5 plus 7, 12. So 2 we will write here and 1 will be carried over to 10,000 place. So now at 10,000 place 1 plus 2 plus 3. What we will get? 6. So what will be the sum? It will be 62,218. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Question number B. Read this number children. The numbers are 3,09,278 and 5,63,197. So we will place them at their respective places. We will put the numbers at their respective places and we will start with the ones by adding the ones. So what do we have at ones place? 8 and 7. So 8 plus 7, 15. So 5 we will write here and 1 will be carried over to the tens place. Now 1 plus 7 plus 9, 17. So 7 we will write here and 1 again will be carried over to hundreds place. Now add the hundreds. So 1 plus 2 plus 1, 4 that we have written here. Now there is no carryover. So now let's move to thousands place. So 9 plus 3, 12. So 2 we have written here and 1 will be carried over to the 10,000 place. So 1 plus 0 plus 6, 7. Now let's move to lakhs place. So 3 plus 5, 8. So what will be the sum obtained? It will be 8,72,475. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. That is question number D. So the question is, read this number children. The number is 1,38,026 and 219. So we will place them at their respective places. Then we will start adding ones. So 6 plus 9. So 6 plus 9 is 15, which is a 2-digit number. So 5 we will write here and 1 will be carried over to the tens place. Now 1 plus 2 plus 1, 4 we will get here. Now let's move to hundreds place. 0 plus 2, 2. Then thousands place, 8 will come down as it is. Then 10,000, at the 10,000 place we have 3 which will come down, and at the lakhs place we have 1 which will come down as it is. So the sum obtained will be 1,38,200. Question number 2. The question number 2 is write the addends and sum obtained. So question number A is 4,723 and 3,68,912. So according to question, you have to write the addends and sum obtained. So what are the addends here? The addends are, which are being given here, are 4,723 and 3,68,912. You have to write it like this because they are asking to write the addends. Now in the question it's been asked the sum obtained. So we will add them. So we will start with ones. So 3 plus 2, here we will get 5. Then let's move to tens place now. 2 plus 1, 3. 7 plus 9, 16. So 6 we will write here and 1 will be carried over to the thousands place. Now 1 plus 0 plus 8, 9. 0 plus, now let's move to 10,000 place. So 0 plus 6, 6. And at the lakhs place, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So what will be the sum obtained? You have to write like this. Sum is equal to 7,69,635. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. Number B is 2 lakh. Read this number, children. The numbers are 2,89,916 and 6,30,249. So what are the addends here? Because in the question it was mentioned to write the addends. So what are the addends here? 2,89,916 and 6,30,249. Now you have to find the sum. So to find the sum, we have to add them. So let's start with the ones place. So 6 plus 9 is 15. So 5 we will write here and 1 will be carried over to the tens place. Now 1 plus 1 plus 4, it will be 6 here. Now let's move to hundreds place. So 9 plus 2 is 11. So 1 we will write here and 1 will be carried over to the thousands place. So 1 plus 9 plus 0, 10. So 0 we will write here and 1 will be carried over to the 10,000 place. So 1 plus 8 plus 3. What we will get? 12. So 2 we will write here and 1 will be carried over to the lakhs place. Now 1 plus 2 plus 6, we will get 9 here. So what will be the sum obtained? It will be 9,20,165. Okay. Now let's move to question number 3rd, where you have to add and write the answer in words. The numbers are being given in words. So you have to first convert those numbers which are given in words to numeral, and then we have to add them. So question number B is, read this number, children. What is been given in words? 4,90,360 and 2,26,784. So two numbers are being given which are given in words. So first we will convert these numbers into numeral. So the first number is 4,90,360. So we will write that number in the form of numeral, which we have written here. You can see. So the number is 4,90,360. And the second number is 2,26,784. That also we will write in numeral. So it will be written here as 2,26,784. Now you have to add them. So let's add them. Let's start from ones. So 0 plus 4, here we will get 4. Now let's move to tens place. So 6 plus 8, 14. 4 we will write here and 1 will be carried over to the hundreds place. Now 1 plus 3 plus 7, 11. 1 we will write here and 1 will be carried over to thousands place. Now 1 plus 0 plus 6, 7. Now let's move to 10,000 place. So 9 plus 2, 11. So 1 we will write here and 1 will be carried over to lakhs place. Now 1 plus 4 plus 2, it will be 7 here. Now the answer you have to write in words. So the answer is, can you read this number, children? The number will be 7,17,144. That you have to write in words. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. You understand this one? First we have to write these number, number which is been given in words. First we'll convert them into numeral, and then we have to add them, and after getting the answer we have to write them in words. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. So question number 4 is, tick the number in the inner circle which is the sum of the numbers given in the outer circle. So you can see here the circle is being given. So you have to, one is outer circle and inside there is inner circle. So you have to tick the number in the circle which is the sum of the numbers given in the outer circle. So you have to add the numbers which are given in the on the outer circles. Outer circle. In the outer circle, what are the numbers being given? So you write that number. Let's write that number, 6,50,000. These are the numbers which are on outer circle. So 6,50,250, and what is the other number which is in the outer circle? 40,025. So now let's add them. So 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 2 plus 0, 2. Now 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 4, 9, and there we have 6. So answer should be, answer is 6,90,275. So can you tell me which is the correct answer? Can you tell me? Yes, this one, 6,90,275. So we will take this one. Understand? So this was the answer, 6,90,275. So children, now let's see one more example. You can say the same question, tick the number in the inner circle which is the sum of the numbers given in the outer circle. So you can see two circles, the outer one and the inner one. So the outer circle, in the outer circle the numbers are being given 23,175 and 9,120. So you have to add them. You have to find their sum, and then whatever sum is correct, there you have to put a tick in the inner circle. So let's find the sum of 23,175 and 9,120. So let's find their sum. So 5 plus 0, 5 we will get. 7 plus 2, 9. 1 plus 1, 2. 9 plus 3, 12. So 2 we will write here, and then 1 will be carried over. So 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 3. So what is the sum here? 32,295. So where you can see that answer? Can you see that answer? That sum in the inner circle? There you can see 32,295. So there we'll put a tick. Got it, children? So that's all for today, children. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Thank you.